do another video. Bwana ni mchungaji wangu. That's the song. I want us to do that. Question is, where do we start with that song? First and foremost, look at the progression that we have. Progression. Bwana ni, the song starts with sus 2 inverted, sus 4 to sus 2. Bwana ni, back to 1, and you can see I'm not holding just normal F sharp. I'm holding a ninth. There is a ninth there, alright? To get that kind of voicing. Apart from this one, but this one, I want that kind of voice. So, you see? See that chord? That is number 6. Sita passing. Sita ukiwa. Look at that chord. I'm holding this kind of chord. It's a diminished chord. Sita ukiwa kitu. Passing. Uniongoza. Maji. You see this chord? Ma. 2. Diminished chord. Livu. From the start. Bwana ni mchungaji wangu. You see that chord? That chord. You follow the melody. Look at that chord. I'm following the melody. You see that chord? Zitani fuata mimi. See? I'm holding C, F sharp, and A sharp. Back to 1. Let me start the whole thing. Do the pole pole. See? Yeah. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to get more insights for our content that we produce. So God bless you so much.